Hey guys, today we're back with another video here. I got my friend. He is a shotgun master. He is cracked. I'm a bow master. Hey, don't shoot me. So he's a shotgun master, and we're gonna show you the proof today that he is a real shotgun master. Hello?
Hello?
Camera's on,
You got
buddy.
the intro?
Guys, it wasn't my idea. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but it wasn't my idea to make this video. But anyway, we're okay. Wait, the builds didn't reset. Okay,
Yeah, we're just gonna reset the builds.
I'm gonna go up a little bit.
Where on earth are you? Oh, there you go.
Okay, I'm gonna
I'm
start
literally
right
the
here.
master of the
I'm starting right here.
of the combat.
Shotgun. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me go.
Go higher, buddy.
Okay, I'm gonna stand right here.
Get out of here.
You might even kill me soon. Okay. This is really high. I think you actually hit higher. You hit higher than that. Before.
Oh, I hit way higher than that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
That was off camera.
What you got there?
See, guys, he's actually he's actually a combat shotgun master.
Look, see, I'll even prove. Wait, sorry.
Okay.
I'll even drop it. Here it is.
I'll mark it.
There it is.
There.
That's my combat that I'm using.
It's a gold combat shotgun.
Cool combat
He's right there.
shotgun. Get wrecked.
You were 58 meters high, and you still hit me.
I built.
If you can hit me,
I didn't.
you're
I can't
You're
even
60
see you.
oh,
Oh, okay, now I see you.
he's 65 meters below.
Wait, I hit the wall side.
Come on, you got this. You hit this before.
Yeah,
already.
I did.
What? Yeah, you placed one ramp when you did this. So he's 16.
Wait.
There you go.
Oh,
So now he has one ramp. It's gonna help him.
I'm allowed to use I'm allowed to use 2 ramps.
Yeah,
This is the max I can go.
yeah.
This is my max height. And your max height, it will be at the
I'll
max
shoot
height.
you. So that's where I am.
Oh, I see where you are. What?
I'm aiming at you.
I don't know. This.
I don't
Why
think
do I
you.
keep on hitting the wall? Wait, let me.
Guys, should I kill him?
Don't kill me, baby. Also, I fell off.
Huh?
Let me just.
Sorry, I had to do
That
it.
didn't help.
Sorry, I had to do it.
Okay.
Though. I just had to.
The people had to.
Oh my god, I just hit my knee.
People
Okay.
want what the people get. The people want, people get. Yeah, this is too high.
Yeah.
Wait, let's wait, let's go down. Oh, no. You just not kill me?
Kill me? Let me.
No, I have to go 1 floor down.
Wait. You want me to kill you?
Okay. Yes, not me. 63 meters.
I remember
I
when I
can do
killed
that.
you.
So
Remember when I
I
killed you
can do that
155 meters?
Oh yeah, that was sick.
Yeah.
Wait, are you still up there?
Yeah. I'm not as high, but I'm still pretty high. Oh.
Hi, buddy. Peekaboo!
I didn't shoot.
Wait, I will try to use my tactical shotgun here.
Wait, where are you? Shoot. Oh, you're up there.
Wait.
So try to shoot me when I'm down here. Or wait, I gotta move. I need to go.
Oh, I hit a gold gun. I thought it was you. I hit a gold
No,
gun.
because I'm gold. Okay, we're gonna do a 1v1
Wait,
first
let
to
me
3. for the vid.
Wait, I'm just, let's just, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab a grappler and go up there.
Okay, we're gonna use a gold
I'll be
AR.
right back.
Okay.
Wait.
Gold AR. When we 1v1ing gold
I'm not
AR,
gonna
gold
1v1.
spaz.
I'm trying to trick shot you, mate.
Okay. But after that, we're gonna 1v1 for the video.
Fine.
You fell.
Wait, just give me a bit of time. I'm not the best at this. But this is not.
Well, let's just hop in where it into 1v1. Let's just go 1v1 maybe. Hey. Come on. You gotta place stairs. You gotta make floors like that. That's what I do. It's easier. So like you grapple up and then place the stair. See, look, I climbed the wall.
Yeah, I know. We should make like a Spider-Man now.
That would actually be pretty sick.
Like all you have to do is just.
Oh
Okay,
my.
where you at?
Oh, let me rotate.
Oh, I see you.
Oh, wait. Can you see me?
Are you in the... Oh, found you.
Thank God you were not on that platform. Oh, I hit you. I hit you with my scar. Oh, okay. Let's go into Raiden. Let's go in the 1v1 now. So, guys, we are about to 1v1. So, get a gold scar.
Wait, let me just clear my inventory.
Yeah, I'll just kill you. So, we both get health back.
So pump.
There.
So
Gold pump and gold AR.
I'm fine with that.
So, guys, we're about to hop in and raid into the 1v1 here. Just Olivier.
Can you use my charge? I mean, my combat.
You have aimbot with that thing, so maybe not.
Wait, let's see if I have aimbot with a scar. We might do that in another video. In another video. See if I have aimbot.
Okay.
We'll do the aimbot test with the scar. Another video.
Yeah. So guys, I'm cranking the 90s here, as you can see.
Can you
Olivier
stop
is not the
cranking
best
90s?
builder.
Hey.
We'll just restart. Oh, my mouse pad.
Thank you. The reason why I'm not the best builder is I'm a controller player.
True. That is controller player.
I am a controller player.
I'll give you like I'll give you 5 seconds to start building. Okay?
Wait a second.
I can kill you right now. Look at the Jonesy face. Why is your face so muddy?
It's beautiful.
That's cap. That is a controller player. That is a keyboard and mouse player.
I am a controller player.
Okay, I'll go on the other side. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to start building.
Wait,
Oh, what?
wait.
Go.
Okay, just leave 2 and okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm not the best one view. I'm not the best at editing. Yeah.
You killed me before.
Maybe
one.
one day.
I
we
can be
might
your
do
coach, buddy.
Yeah, one day will maybe a video that you could coach me.
People make videos like that all the time. No, I messed
I
up.
know.
I can't. I could have edited there.
I'm trying to get the high ground.
I'm not really.
Yeah, yes, I am.
You're not gonna be
Yeah.
for long. Oh, maybe yes, for
You
long.
can't knock down people.
No, I fell. It's fine.
And you can't get back up.
Oh, I messed up my retake. Guys, I'm gonna pop off a retake here. In one video, I'll teach you guys how to make a retake if you guys really want to. I'm really bad at retakes, though. Might help a little bit to get a little bit of height, you know. Oh no. You have height.
Found you.
Dude. I didn't want to mess up there.
Controller player, found you.
I'm just gonna hold my cone.
Are you in that? You in that? Oh, there, found.
Dude, you got so much height.
I told you I have height.
I believe you.
Did you actually?
No. Yo, chill.
Oh, actually, I actually hit you for 38.
I know you did.
I know, I told you. Okay, where you at?
Yo, chill. I'm actually coming.
I'm just. Oh my god, you're just messing with my brain. I haven't realized.
I just got a message.
Guys. Oh
You just lost height.
no. Did I actually? Well, like, I like this thing.
Stop ramping. You can't just ramp like that. Oh, that was how did I get high ground?
Nice. GG.
That was a good fight there.
I
First the
think there's only
two.
one more test to do.
That's-
Remember when I said I'm gonna do
that's
the assault rifle aimbot video? The next another day.
Yeah.
Let's just do a one. And we'll do that another video. But let's find another weapon to work in. We checked. I checked. We did a battle with him off video with the bows. I got my butt whooped.
Oh yeah, guys. So soon I'm gonna be making a video that I'm gonna be training him.
So right now I'm gonna try the pistol.
I'm pretty good with pistols.
Get up there.
Well, where's my pistol? I want a
No,
pistol.
I'm gonna use a pistol.
No, you're not.
Stop it.
Sorry, I just finished you, so you got your health. Anyway,
Stop it.
I'm gonna use a primal pistol.
The primal pistol. What? Wait. Oh,
This
a
is the primal
weapon
pistol.
too. Where is it?
Oh yeah, comment below if you guys want pumps next season.
The what?
If you got comment below if you want pumps next season still. Pumps are literally
Yeah.
the best. I love how they brought back pumps in game.
I know. Hey!
Sorry.
I'm not even done.
No.
I'll tell you when I'm
My
done.
belts fell.
I will have a pistol, a primal pistol, and a hand cannon.
A hand cannon.
Oh, it's literally just
I am a
pistol.
god with this pistol.
Where on earth is the hand cannon?
I don't know.
I don't think there's the hand cannon in this game mode.
It's
Yeah,
BHE.
it's not here.
What is? Wait, let me use a pistol. Let me grab my pistol. It's a pistol battle.
Tyler,
Come here. Let's go.
okay, just go. You just go building. You just crank your 90s.
Crank? Okay.
Just a little bit. We'll do the test. Wait, let's reset.
You said crank
No, let's-
90s.
Well, not that high. We're doing the test.
Oh,
The pistol test.
here. Where are you? Oh, you're here. Literally aimbot. That's
Tyler,
I got aimbot with this pistol.
it's not you that's doing the test. It's me.
Okay.
That means no shooting. No shooting, I said.
Why? I love shooting.
Yeah.
Why are you 84?
Stop it. Tyler, we need to do the pistol test.
Okay.
Can you?
Okay.
Oh boy.
Okay. Try to shoot me. I'm a god with pistols.
Dang.
Sorry,
Okay,
guys.
go higher.
To go higher? It is technically. Pistols are ARs, technically.
What?
Pistols can be ARs. Oh, come on! I fell. You literally lasered me.
pistols are the best.
I know, right? I'm going for the pickaxe. No.
It's the pickaxe. It's the pickaxe.
Yes!
Okay, I think we'll end off this video right now.
Yeah. Well, guys,
We can't do
hope
the
you guys
pixel
enjoyed. Smash that subscribe button. Wait, stand still. Smash the subscribe button like that. And if you guys enjoyed the video, like the video.
And
See you guys in the next
video
one.
we are
Have a great
going-
rest of your day. See you guys in the next one. If I can find my mouse, bye. Have a great rest of your day.
You're free.